Cardinal principles of secondary education calls for separate tracks. By the early 1900s, the demographic of students who attended high school started to change. Enrollments increased, and as a result, schools found themselves dealing with a greater diversity of adolescents with a greater range of interests. Moreover, immigration to urban industrialized areas were also on the rise, together with a perceived need to assimilate those new to American culture. In 1918, the National Education Association Commission reported on the reorganization of secondary education. The U.S. Bureau of Education published the report and titled it The Cardinal Principles of Secondary Education, which outlined 7 principles: health, command of fundamental processes, worthy home membership, vocation, citizenship, worthy use of leisure, and ethical character.